Tired of worrying about your RV batteries running low on power during your trips? Imagine a solar panel that not only charges multiple 12 volts batteries but also stays firmly in place no matter the road conditions. The upgraded high-power white supermagnetic solar panel offers exactly that: easy, reliable battery maintenance designed specifically for fifth wheels, travel trailers, and Class B C RVs. What makes this panel stand out? It's a simple plug-and-play setup that anyone can install without hassle. The included fused battery ring adapter ensures your batteries stay protected, while the powerful white super magnets hold the panel securely to your kingpin, even when you're cruising down the freeway. Users rave about how it stays attached through every bump and turn, giving you peace of mind wherever you go. One happy customer shared how this panel has kept their fifth-wheel batteries topped off for years. They highlighted not only the product's performance but also the exceptional customer service. When questions came up, Rich from the support team was quick to respond and walked them through every detail, making the experience smooth and worry-free. Here's why this matters. Keeping your RV batteries fully charged means you can enjoy your adventures without unexpected power loss. Whether you're parked at a remote campsite or on the move, this solar panel helps maintain battery health, extending their life and saving you money in the long run. For best results, disconnect your batteries from the RV and leave the panel in direct sunlight between 10 a.m. and 3 p.m. to maximize charging efficiency. If you're someone who values hassle-free, dependable power for your RV, this upgraded solar panel is worth a look. It's designed to work with 2 or more 12 volts batteries, making it versatile for different setups. Plus, there's a dedicated technical support line at 858-337-7950 ready to assist you anytime, along with special discounts for seniors, military members, and first responders. Ready to keep your RV batteries topped off effortlessly? Try the high-power white supermagnetic solar panel when you're ready. It's a straightforward upgrade that changes how you manage power on the road: strong magnets, easy installation, and reliable charging all in one package.